Hello, Amir Temur, a great commander who was born in 1336 and shook the whole world. Today we will look at his life, campaigns, strategy, and legacy in just 5 minutes. Get ready. Amir Temur was born on April 9th, 1336, in a village near Kesh. Although he came from an ordinary Barlow's clan family, he soon gained attention for his courage. Known in history as Sahib Karan, ruler of the stars, this commander was a warrior, state builder, and great strategist. Temur was from the Barlow's clan and considered himself a descendant of Genghis Khan. From a young age, he learned horse riding, archery, and military tricks. Because he was wounded in the leg, his enemies called him Temur Lank, crippled Temur, but this did not diminish his strength. In 1370, at a congress in Balkh, Temur was proclaimed the chief emir of Turan. He united the disintegrated Transoxiana and made Samarkand his capital. He beautified the city with magnificent mosques, madrasas, and palaces, a testament to his state-building side. Timur marched into Persia, Khorasan, India, and the Golden Horde. In 1398, he captured Delhi, and in 1402, he defeated the Ottoman Sultan Bayezid at the Battle of Ankara. These victories extended his empire from the Caspian to India and changed history. Timur was not an ordinary warrior, but a commander who fought with intelligence. He used fast cavalry, reserve forces, and cunning tactics. He divided his army into 7 divisions and delivered additional blows when necessary. This was the secret of his invincibility. Some consider Timur a ruthless conqueror, while others call him a great state builder. In Uzbekistan, he is a national hero. His statue in Tashkent, monuments in Samarkand, and the Temur decrees are still a source of pride today. Amir Temur is one of the most complex and great figures in history. Did you like the video? Click like, subscribe, and write in the comments. What should be the next topic?